Hi, Charlie boy. Come on, can you smell your fish over there? Hi, boy. Hi, darling. Come on. I want to give you a lot of the mackerel. First, you get it first. Come on, Charlie. Come on, boy. Come on. It's right there. Do you smell it? Do you smell this yummy, yummy, yummy stuff? Okay, I'll leave you to... I'll take the rest of this over to the feeding station. It's okay, boy. Come on. Come on. You let me pet you over here just last week. I think it was exactly a week ago, right? Here by this toolbox. Okay, sweet. Bye.